Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Telegram account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Telegram account, first open up a Telegram app on your phone. After opening a Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon option available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is a settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings, and over here scroll down until you can find the help section of Telegram at the bottom of the screen, and you can see there is the Telegram FAQ option available for us. Just below the ask question, tap on Telegram FAQ, and you can see guys here it says the general option available for us. Now we will be required to scroll down until we can find the your account settings over here, and you can see guys there it says the your account, and you can see there is the delete your Telegram option available for us under your account. Tap on delete your Telegram account, and over here where it says the how do I delete my account at the top of the screen, you can see there is the deactivation page in the blue. Tap on that deactivation page and you'll be redirected to a browser on the deletion page of the Telegram. And over here you can see guys here it says the delete account or manage apps. Now in order to proceed we'll be required to enter our phone number over here and tap on next, and on the next step code will be sent to you over here. Enter your code over here guys, so that code will be sent to you on your Telegram app itself. So let's go back to the Telegram, and you can see guys the code has been sent, and at the top of the screen there we can see the code from the Telegram. And over here guys you'll be required to copy this code and paste it on the page or the browser you had just opened from the deletion page. So let's do that again, and after you have entered your code over here guys, which is the confirmation code, tap on the sign in button over here and you will be on this page where you will be able to delete your account. Now in order to proceed guys, enter a message, why are you deleting your account? For test maybe I'll be just writing the test, and tap on the, and after entering your message guys, tap on the delete account or the delete my account button over here at the bottom of the screen, and then your Telegram account will be deleted. And guys, this is how to delete Telegram account, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.